Hello and welcome today to our presentation. This is Muhammad Ahmed Zaki, right, PMO director, and with KSI. Today we're going to be looking onto using the MS project, Microsoft project, using with the artificial intelligence. So we're going to be looking, once you join us this course, you're going to be using on the features that have been adopted, right, with using the AI. So in the agenda, we're going to be looking on, right, first of all, we're going to be starting on discussing about overview on the MS projects and its releases. We're going to be taking you through how to set up the MS project and how can ChatGPT 4, right, help me through that area, how it can be consistent and it can easy as well to enable me to start how as a good assistance, right, for starting my project, how to activate your product, how to start the wizards if I need to create a project. We're going to be looking onto the main elements, right, of the screens that are being used through the explanation from ChatGPT, right, and how if I have a misunderstanding of how to use a certain item into the MS project, right, we're going to be using the AI ChatGPT 4. Again, we're going to be looking on how you can adopt the splitting of the bar, right, and as well, you're going to be looking on how to use the mechanisms, right, of the search mechanisms used in the projects using ChatGPT, as well how to explore the project information, how to build a summary level, project level, work background level, and activity levels with the aid of using ChatGPT. Again, you're going to looking how you're going to set the task modes, right, using automatic or manual through ChatGPT, as well how to use the indent, outend, right, of your activities using the predecessor and successor using the uh, ChatGPT as well, how to save the project, and then we're going to be using that through our practical shop. In day two, we're going to be looking though how you're going to use the integration in between the activities, allocating the duration resources by using the ChatGPT. So in particular, we're going to be looking on how to add activities using the chat with the aid of ChatGPT, how to add and assign resources, how we're going to be assigning the predecessor and successors, right? And as well, we're going to be looking on how to use to allocate the working time, the project, right? Effort sizing, how to set the date exceptions, right? Let's say I want to send working changing of the project time, right? How I'm going to add the national vacations, how to add the exceptional dates vacations, the weekly dates, right? So how ChatGPT can help me with that part. How we're going to be looking on the task information using ChatGPT, how to add columns using the ChatGPT, as well how to add sub-project of a project or a program or to file, right? And how to explore the project using the menu tab. Again, we're going to be looking addressing through a practical workshop, how to create a program, how to get a portfolio, how to create a project. In day three, we're going to look on the cost management aid and how can ChatGPT helps me with the calculations. So we're going to be looking on understanding between the fixed and variable cost estimates, how to assess resource sheets, right? How to add the resources into your project, as well how you're going to be tracking the database resources, right? From the resource pool you have, assigned resources, how to split the activity, how to explore ways of baseline and how to clear the baseline, right? And as well how to move the project to earlier date, okay, or to a start date using figures like calculate the project, okay, to make sure dates, calculations, use the update project start and end date by the use of ChatGPT, explore used features on the state date for the purpose tracking of the project, okay, so we're going to be using the project status, how to zoom in and zoom out the project, how to allocate the resource financials, okay, how to resource level the project, okay, how to display the cost, earn value, actual cost, and again, the practical workshop, how to adapt through it. Day four, we're going to be looking on human resource management and the use of ChatGPT, right? So how to add the resources, right? How to add resource to the ChatGPT, how you can use an Active Directory, right? How to address book using ChatGPT, how to use material resource, and how can ChatGPT assess me through that, how to track the resources, right? Exploring the resource calendars, creating new calendars for the resources, okay, form, how it can be clear and concise. We're looking at how can we add the resources, how to utilize the resources usage, overview of resource graph. Okay, so I can see the resource utilization graph, adding notes on a clear activity, right? So ChatGPT can help me how to hyperlink an activity with another project, linking between the project, use of ChatGPT, adding recurring tasks, how ChatGPT can help me with that part. And instead of going on searching, right, can ChatGPT do it directly for me? Again, we're going to be looking through that into the course. Overview of the resource histogram, resource pool, and the shared resources. In day 5, we're going to be looking on how to display the various types of charts, right? The bar charts, the resource charts, the project charts, the status report charts, run charts, okay, and how ChatGPT. So basically, we're going to display the use of ChatGPT, displaying the calendars, displaying the Gantt chart, how to use the bar roll up, how to use the network diagram, the PDM and the ADM, how to display the resource sheet, how to use the resource users, resource form, resource graph, and the names, resource names, and the task users, how to display the task users, again, through ChatGPT, how to use the task form, team planner, timeline, okay, using tracking chance. As well, we're going to be looking on how to use the main features in the menu, displaying the usage of the views, and we're going to be looking on the involvement of ChatGPT and using the AI through the MS project. Day 6, communication management. So we're going to be looking on basically displaying the common reports and views using a ChatGPT, how I can use all the sort of reports, how ChatGPT can help me, right, in doing that. Saving the file in different formats. In reports menu, comparison between the project with ChatGPT, how to use a report menu using tab features, building new reports. In report menu, display the features of dashboard, how to reduce the resource over-allocated with ChatGPT, how to visualize the cash flow. So how can I have the cash inflow, the outflow, the earned value, the cost variance, all that calculations. Report menu to visualize the critical tasks, the late tasks, okay, and report menu display the custom reports with ChatGPT. So those are going to be considered through our chapter. So that's all, right? And basically, would like to see you throughout our classrooms, right? On online, you can take it on site, you can take it on home, right? As you like. But we're going to show you the involvement of how the technology of AI using the ChatGPT has been evolved and how it makes things to be flexible and ease of use. Thank you very much. This has been a wonderful session with you. And this is Muhammad Ahmed Zaki, PMO Director. Yes, thank you.